Hello, okay, on this episode of MathMeowTics, we're going to talk about quadratic roots. That's the point or points at which the parabola will intersect the x-axis. Note, linear equations also have roots, but they will only have one root or no roots. Quadratics are special and unique because they have that curve. They're that U-shaped shape. I also wanted to talk about some other ways that we call roots or other things that you might see them. We call them the zeros, the solutions, or the x-intercepts, okay? Now, let's talk specifically about the number of solutions. So the number of possible solutions for quadratics, all right? So I'm going to draw a couple graphs here. All right, so we've got 1, we've got 2, whoops. Didn't mean to do that, and I wanted to do it black anyway, so let me fix this. Alright, so we've got one graph that I'm going to draw here. I'm going to draw a second graph. And I'm going to draw a third graph. Alright, so let me go to my color here. Oops, did not mean to do that. All right. Now, a first one, if I have a parabola and I draw my parabola like this, if you notice, it intersects our x-axis here and here. So the number of solutions would be 2 solutions. Now, if I were to draw my graph, and I'm going to draw it, let's say here, I'm going to draw an upside down parabola. And if you notice, I only intersect the graph once. So that's 1 solution. Then, let's say if I were to draw this parabola up here, okay, if you notice, I have that parabola does not intersect the x-axis. Here's my x, this is my y, this is x, y, x-axis. Okay, if you notice, it doesn't cross it, so there is no solution. And when we have no solution, then, and now this is specific to the real number system. All of these answers and all of these possible solutions are specific to the real number system. When you get in further into mathematics, you will get into the imaginary number system, and some of your solutions will change in terms of quadratics. In the next video, I will do some examples, and we will talk about the number of solutions. See you then.